Okay, hello, greetings, and thank you for watching. I want to give you a tour of my lab. So my lab's in my basement. This is where I execute my projects. So in this corner, I have my Georgia State volleyball schedule. I'm a huge fan. And this is my books, reference material. In this corner I have here, this is my desk where I work, do my administrative type work. This is my main lab bench, and let me tell you a little bit about my equipment. I have a 350 megahertz, 4 analog channel, 16 digital channel, digital oscilloscope. I have electronic power supply, electronic load to 200 watts. I have a 80 megahertz arbitrary counter, 4.5 digit multimeter. I have a portable oscilloscope as well, Tektronix 100 megahertz. To the far right I have frequency counter, and this on the older side, frequency counter, frequency generator, to 20 megahertz, and of course a digital multimeter. Coming over here in this corner, this is my portable station. Here I have a spectrum analyzer, an old analog power supply I love, keep it around. It's a whole Heath kit, if you remember those. Tools, electronic load I built myself that I actually use. Cable, this is Spock. I use him for inspiration when I get stuck on trying to debug a problem. He's very helpful for that. Back here I also use, I have, that's my extra equipment stuff and various tools and knickknacks, boxes for shipping. The far bench over there is where I keep extra stuff. I have a biconical antenna I use for just very rough EMC type work, troubleshooting. That's my whiteboard for schedule. I keep a very active schedule, so I maintain my work. Here I have a rework station, multiple soldering stations. I have hot air, microscope. I can do everything, PLCC, TQFPs, the SOICs, 0805s, 1206, 0603s, pretty much anything except for a BGA I can handle. I have that capability. And another word about my equipment here is it's not, this isn't old equipment. I don't, pick up, $150, worth used equipment off of eBay. I like to have modern tools to execute products efficiently. Pretty much anything that any modern lab would have, I can execute here. I'm not going to say it's state-of-the-art because it isn't, but it is very nice equipment, and it is good tools. I'm not just a guy working out of his basement. I absolutely love what I do, and I surround myself with the tools that allow me to do it. And also, I back up all my work in-house. And I also back up to a cloud, so I maintain those active purchases. I also keep McAfee antivirus software. That's always also active. So again, not just a guy working on his basement. Anything that you can execute at a modern electronic lab, I can execute here as well. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.